Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first video, I would love if you go ahead and take a second to hit that subscription right down below and be sure you hit that like button. To do a mini review and kind of like try on some of the Fenty lipsticks. And she came out with a whole bunch of them, but honestly when I went to Sephora I was just really overwhelmed. So I told myself I'm just gonna pick up 3 because I wanted to try out the formula and see, you know, how it felt and how I liked it before I went and picked up more. Now, a lot of the colors she came out with were kind of like out of my comfort zone, so it's not something I would normally wear, but I definitely do want to try out more. So the 3 colors that I picked up are Clapback, which is just like a dark grayish purple color, Freckle Fiesta, which is just like a little burnt orange, and Candy Venum, which is just a hot pink. So we're gonna go ahead and try out these lipsticks and tell you guys what I think about them. So the first one I'm going to try out is Candy Venum, and they just come in this little cute packaging, and it just says Fenty right here. It's kind of like a mini lipstick, and it comes with a lot of products. Now I forget how much these were, but I'll go ahead and leave it down in the description box. So the one thing I like about these is because they're very mini, so you can definitely throw them like, you know, in your to-go bag and everything. And then the first color is called Candy Venum, and it's pretty much like a hot pink. Now, off of like first impressions, it's very creamy and it goes on very sheer. And I noticed it's not dry, so it kind of feels like a lip balm versus, you know, the really dry lipstick. So I do like that. Now the next color I'll be trying out is the orange, and it's called Freckle Fiesta. I think this is a color that I could definitely see myself wearing more. It looks a lot brighter on the skin than it does, you know, in the tube. So this is what the second color looks like. And like I said, is it just me or it looks a lot brighter on the skin than it does in the tube. So I thought it was going to be more like a deeper burnt orange, but this is definitely very orangey, mustardy. Like, I don't know if I'm describing that right, but I don't know. It's a little bit like too orangey for me, but I think if I line it with like a lip liner, like especially chestnut or maybe night moth, then it might die down the color a little bit, but I definitely still do like it. And last but not least, the color that we're going to be trying is called Clapback, and I've actually tried this color on before. I really love it because you guys know that I love dark colors. So it's like a grayish bluish color, so I really like it. So this is the last color, and like I said, I really like this color just because I like, you know, brownish or darker colors. So that's it for my little mini try on haul. Overall, I really did like this line. I think I am going to go pick up a few more colors. Now, some of the colors are a little bit too crazy for me, but if you guys have tried any of them and recommend any colors, then go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section. And I think personally, like, Rihanna is a person that's over the top, and you know, she definitely did hit like her personality with this color range that she came out with, because this is stuff that she normally would wear. It's kind of the same thing as the Trophy Wife highlighter. It's yellow, it's crazy, but it definitely is her. So I think like she hit it on the point with the color range that she came out with. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that little bell so you're notified every single time I upload. Until next time.